Okay, this vid is about the spec filter here, and it was a request that I had a look at the patch, the subpatch, show it to someone who wants to have a look, because in the latest version and with the latest Macs, etc., etc., doesn't seem to work very well. I'm sorry, it's my audio. So I'm going to show it. This is the info sheet here, made by Katja Vetter, who also made, among other things, the Slice Jockey. And you can catch more of her work on this web address here, the katjas.nl. She makes a lot of stuff for PD. So this is spec filter demo. And we're having a look at the subpatch. I'm gonna double click on each of these little boxes so that the person who requested this can have a look at how it's been built up. In the background, I don't know why it's a drone. It's me singing, I think. Anyway, I'm going to double click it and then just put them over there in a bit of slow order, and that's it. All right, here we go. It's interesting act though. Right, start here. That's the FFT size. Pick 2. Frequency 2. Sound. In the background you can hear the boats. This the buffer maybe. Yeah. Buffer view. I think this reveals the spec filter and this does nothing. That's him. What's this one here also? Okay. So from this side we have everything going to the right side of this subpatch. I'll put them here again. Step range. Back nothing there. That's the mod 2. Modulator 2. That's in there. Put them there. And frequency. Modulator 1. Modulator 1. Stretch it a bit if I can. Yeah. the size, latency. The mouse. This one, I think. Did we have the big one? Oh, we had it already. Sorry. Then that's it. We got everything here. Buffer view. The buffer view we had already, I think. No. We have the step. Yes, stepper. We had already. Okay. Right. Well, this was it. As requested. Let me know if it works.